Day 3 of the Alps trip. Well, it's the next day. I've chucked on the same clothes on I had on yesterday because I've got to get back under the landy. Dylan's landy's over there next to that dodgy caravan, which he might be sleeping in actually. Didn't think to check. So I'm going to go out, drain some oil out of the diff, out of the fill plug, because when I pulled it out last night, there was a little bit of oil coming out of the fill plug, so I think I've overfilled it. Try and do that without leaving a mark on anyone's floor. I'm going to do that and then we can get on with our day, hopefully. Let's have a look under this today in the daylight, see if we can figure out what's going on. Right, I've pulled over into a quieter corner of the car park, so everyone will leave me alone, hopefully. Let's pull that fill plug out and check how much oil's in there. I'm thinking, there's an ant's nest, yeah. I'm going to have to go back where I was. Better notice now, I suppose. Let's check for ants. I think we're all good. Right, let's crack on. It's dry around the fill plug. Bottom of the diff is dry. I wiped all this dry last night before we came in. Looks like it stayed dry, which is nice, which I'm pretty happy with. Obviously there's oil everywhere from whatever's gone on previous. Let's take this fill plug out anyway, see how too much oil's in it. Oh, there's exactly the right amount in it, which is good to see. Now that it's thrown stuff everywhere, maybe it got down to the level it needs to be and now it's going to stop leaking, or was that wishful thinking? Gotta be so gentle with these fill plugs. They can strip so easy on the Salisbury rear pan. Oh, it's everywhere. This all used to be shiny silver. Let's have a look under here. We got a bit of oil on the transfer box. Not coming from the drain plug, but it looks somewhat normal for my Land Rover. This is a bit wet on the nose of the diff actually, to there. So many oil leaks on Land Rovers, I can't tell. Yeah, that fill plug looks okay. Well, there's not much else I can do. I've checked the engine oil level. Should never wear light coloured shorts as a Land Rover owner. Maybe you shouldn't wear light coloured shorts if you're a man, full stop. Who knows? That's full. That's a good sign. That's full as well. Good. Right, not much more I can do. Check the coolant. That's full. That's full. Screen wash while we're at. Yeah, that's full. Right. Not much more I can check. Can't check the gearbox. I'd like to check the gearbox level, but I haven't got nothing to fill it up, even if it is low. I'm in Dylan's Landy now. We're heading to the Land Rover dealership. Going to see if they've got a pinion seal there. I very much doubt they have, but maybe they could order it on to one of the other dealerships that we're passing. I'm hoping it doesn't leak now the level's right, but see if they got one just in case. Wish me luck. Predictably, the Land Rover dealership didn't have the seal. They could get the seal for Friday, but we want to keep moving across France. We're going to head to a Motor Factors now, or at least that's what we think it is, and then see if I can pick up like a fluid transfer pump, some spare oil, maybe some brake cleaner, clean down underneath, see if we can tell where the leak's coming from. Right, I managed to pick up some 7590, some brake cleaner. I haven't got a fluid transfer pump, but I do still have my sports bottle.
just booked our flights.
We've had our breakfast now. We've put a campsite in that we found on Park for Night, but I've tried ringing them. It's going straight to voicemail, and their website I can't get to work on my phone. So just so we can get out of the city, we're going to drive for an hour or so now towards the direction we want to go, and then we'll reassess, see if we can get hold of a campsite.
Say hi, Hats. Oh, bless you.
Flow with the breeze. We can do this anywhere, never place you wanna see. Yeah. Few days in Tokyo, weekend in Spain. Out there in Ibiza.
We pulled over now in an area in Belgium somewhere, just looking at Park for Night, trying to find somewhere to stay tonight. Like to do another hour and a half at least towards Germany or Luxembourg. Gotta have a coffee first though, because I'm falling asleep.
Like round Amsterdam. Feel the breeze taking the sights. Hand in hand through the streets of Paris, girl.
It's a nice bit of kit, isn't it?
With electricity?
No, we don't need electricity.
And it's only one night.
Just for one night, yes, please.
Yeah. Okay. So I don't know when you will be here or when you
About
expect to be here.
1 hour, 30 minutes?
Yeah, so it's around 5,
Yes.
probably 5, 6, yeah. So it's still possible. So we will see you in around 1 hour.
Yeah, there we are. We'll see you then. Quite easy, actually.
Yeah, sweet.
Maybe we could take the train to London. I've got some real good friends out there. Maybe we could check out Strasbourg and Barcelona. Our love can take us anywhere. We should fly right over the sea. Take my hand to another land, girl, just you and me. Breakfast here and dinner there, we flow with the breeze. We can do this anywhere, never place you wanna see. Yeah. Few days in Tokyo, weekend in Spain. Out there in Ibiza, chilling all day with your feet up. Don't matter where we go, always stays the same. I got you and you got me, girl. That'll never change.
Oh, it looks lovely around here. Be happy with this for tonight.
Weekend in Spain. Out there
Being good. Ow!
chilling all day with your feet up. Don't matter where we go, always stays the same. I got you and you got me, girl. That'll never change. That'll never change. Pack your bags for the weekend. I just booked our flights.
We're at the camp spot. We made it. First one in Belgium, in the Ardennes region. Probably saying that wrong. I think there's horses in here, or alpacas. This will do us for tonight. Look at this donkey. Oh my god, there's a horse behind him. It's not happy with you, bro. It's not happy. Give it a feel. Let's have good candy.
Have you heard of them?
Where'd you get that donkey food from?
The shop.
Oh. Is that nice? Is that nice? Is that nice? Mom. You're trying to eat my phone. You're trying to...
Nee.
How do you give that? Come on. Take us.
That's it, good boy.
Zo.
There you go. Om nom nom.
You take your lips.
Turn your donkey.
Oh.
Ew. Right, that's us done for the evening. So, another day tomorrow. Wish us luck again. See you then.